Okay, hello everybody. Today we are going to calculate the density of the material, which is the basic problem of physics. You can do this manually on school level too. And here we are going to calculate the density of the material on Python using some codes. Let me see the question. It says write a program which finds the density of the cube and use the result of program determine the different okay, this is, you have to find the density of the material and you have to check check it for different values. Let we go through the Python programming. Here we know that density is majorly the ratio of mass by volume. That's why we take two inputs. One is mass of the substance and another is volume of the substance. First of all, let me take the mass of the substance as a input. While taking input, we use float so that it takes integer as well as decimals. If we make it int, it will only take integer. So we will take float as an input, every float as an input, which the input is exactly what it is. It is the mass. Okay, I have done something. We have to take inverted comma, mass of the medium in kilogram equals to, okay, equals to, it will take the mass of the substance as an input, and another we have to take the volume of the substance as input. Same way we have to take the volume of the substance as an input. Okay, look at here, nothing much more to do. Volume of the substance, volume of the substance in cubic meter or centimeter, kg per meter cube, cubic meter. Okay, okay, cubic meter. We can write, okay, we can write centimeter cube. I'll not go with it. Then what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the density of the material, which is given by mass per unit volume. Yeah, the formula is density equal to mass per unit volume, simply. Okay, okay, this one is the basic things. We don't have to intake any module on this. So what we have to print the thing, that is the density of the material is that is the line within the inverted comma, within the bracket, is printed out as it is, and the outcome is given by D. That's why we have to make it D over here, which will print the density of the material. The way of it print the thing you can see over here. Let me run this program. Look at here, we can run this file. Okay, there is nothing any problem out here, so it will demand the input, which is the mass of the substance. Let me give the mass of the substance as 10 kg and volume of the substance as 12 cubic meter. Then the density of the material is 0.833333 something. Thank you. Stay tuned. Keep with us. Thank you.